welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Danielle Denese, back again with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna actually do a hair review. So I've been on a search for highlighter type of wig. So I've came across this brand that I saw many people have been actually looking into, and it's called Ashimary Hair. I'll leave everything down below in the description box in case if you like my review and you like everything and you see what you like what you see and you want to go buy it, the link will be right there. Of course, I'm new to this, so this is not sponsored or anything, so these are going to be my real genuine opinions, details. This is a real review, okay?
Period.
So like I said, it's called Ashimary Hair. The wig literally just came today. It took about, I want to say maybe a week, or yeah, like about a week. So it just comes in this satin bag. It didn't come in a box or anything. It literally just came in this bag and the side of FedEx bag. So it's just this. It says the brand's name on there. Open it up. So we have, ooh, something fell. The unit, I got 26 inches by the way. And I also got a closure. I just really started getting into wigs, so I haven't gotten into the whole lace frontal thing. You know, I'll get there, baby steps. So this is a closure unit. It comes with this pin that just says happy. And I think it's something else in here, it feels like. Okay. Then it comes with these eyelashes. All right, so let's get into this unit. So again, this is like the highlighted unit. This is a 26. I also got 250% density because I like my hairs thick. When I make my units, I normally try to fit in 4 bundles in a closure. Like even when I used to get my hair sewn in, 4 bundles in a closure or 4 bundles. Like I like thick hair. This is the wig. It comes packaged in a little net. All right. So it has like the highlights in it. So it seems like it has like a brown tint, but I'm still going to bleach the knots. I'm actually going to show you on here how I bleach the knots before putting it on. And I'm going to do a full review. So this will be my initial thoughts. I'm going to put the wig on. I'm going to give you a full review. I'm going to keep it on, and I'm actually going out to a friend's event in about a week or so. So it'll be a full review on it, because I don't know about you, when I be looking at wig reviews, they do the initial review and it's like, okay, all wigs look good when they come out the packaging. How does it last? How does it hold up after you flat iron it, after you wash it, you know, things like that. But yeah, so I mean, it's nice. It feels soft, of course. All hair feels soft when it comes out the packaging. The highlights are beautiful nonetheless. They are beautiful. I opted for the 1B30. I wanted to really get the 27, but it had 4 with it, a brown, and I don't really like the way brown looks against my skin tone. So I got the 1B30. Maybe I'll go back and get the 427. I don't know. This is just the hair. Has the highlights. It has the distinct highlights. Right? All right, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to bleach the knot. So we're going to go into that clip. Okay, so now I'm in my bathroom. I'm just about to take the wig and I'm going to actually bleach the knots. Because as you can see, I mean, it's like, actually, the lace is really tinted really well. Like the brown lace goes perfect with my skin complexion. But these knots, we need to hide. They look very like ants on a log. So I'm going to do that. There's 2 clips on the side. There's adjustable strap in the back. And there's a clip in the back as well. And here's another look at the wig now that I'm standing. Right, I think it'll look good against my skin complexion. I'm not a professional. I do what works for me. This is what works for me. I just take my 40 volume developer, my clear roll, and I just go in my BW2 bleaching powder, a bowl, and a spoon. I literally just eyeball it. I just make sure that the consistency is thick, meaning when you dye knots, you want to make sure the consistency is thick enough. If the consistency is not thick enough, it will go in other places where you don't want the bleach to be. So you want it to be thick, so wherever you put exactly on, it bleaches those exact spots. I'm going to just take the powder. And we're only bleaching the closure. It's not a frontal, so you really don't need that much. This literally should be enough. This might be actually too much. And remember, I am not a professional. I just do what works for me. And we're gonna take our developer. Pour a little bit in there, let's see. And I literally just eyeball it. See that? It's too watery. All right, I think this is a better consistency. So now we're just gonna take the wig and I'm just gonna turn it inside out. I guess you could, I see people use makeup and stuff like that. I don't know, I just bleach my knots because I just bleach my knots. I'm gonna just turn the wig inside out. And you're literally only gonna put it on the closure. Now, do not brush it in. We're just gonna, I literally just pick it up and down. And that should be good enough. I have some foil here. I typically do not like to leave it like this because I feel like that's just asking for it to seep too far in. So we're going to lay it like that, and I'm just gonna fold it over. All right, so we're gonna lay it like that. So I'm gonna let it sit for about 20 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna wash it out, and I'm also gonna use purple shampoo. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes or so. I peeked at it and they changed, so I'm gonna rinse it, wash it out, and then go in with some purple shampoo to tone it. You could see it's more like brown and stuff. So we're gonna just wash that out. Pretty much is it. Sometimes I actually, even though it's the closure, I still pluck a little bit because it needs to look more realistic. So I'm gonna actually put it on my wig head to see if I need to pluck in any areas. And it's better to actually do this step while it's wet. So like, see, it's more realistic now. All right, so I got the wig stands. As you see, I kind of over bleached it in certain areas. See if you can see, like right here. But we're going to fix that with some dye. But the knots came out pretty well overall, nonetheless. Actually, I don't even think I need to pluck the part. I don't know. I'm feeling like I might not even have to pluck this one. Normally they be a little too close. I might not even have to pluck this part. I might have to just put it on first to see. The hairline is even pretty decent too. See? So I might not even have to do anything. Because it's a closure. If it was a frontal, maybe, like I said, I'm not into the frontals yet. I'll get there one day. I feel like I like closures because you could literally just throw them on and go. You don't have to always glue them down. And it seems like with frontals, it's more maintenance. And I don't have time for that. Maybe if I was going away on vacation or something. Let me back this up. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just blow dry it, and then we're gonna put it on and see how it looks. But so far so good. The hair after wetting it and stuff, it's not bad. Shoot. And this wig was more on the affordable side. I mean, it wasn't cheap, but it was affordable. So yeah, let me see. Let me get my blow dryer. All right, just get my blow dryer. I'm gonna blow dry it and then I'm gonna come back. All right, so I just finished blowing it out. It actually came out pretty good. It was really like no shedding. If I show you the floor, you know, normally when you blow hair out, it's all over the place. If it's a bad grade of hair. But yeah, and it's thick. I'm gonna adjust it to my head and then I'm gonna put the glue on because I like to put glue on my wigs. If you want a separate tutorial on how I put my closure wigs down, I'll give you that. This is not really the purpose of this video, but I'm gonna switch this wig out and put this wig on. Be right back. All right, so this is it so far. I just put some glue because even though I wear closures, I still glue down my well, if I'm just running errands, I don't glue it down, but we trying to get a more realistic look. So it's a little bit of shedding, a little bit. The blonde, I see blonde hair, but this color is very pretty against my skin tone. I really do like it. I like that ginger orangey look. All right, let's see how this has been laid down now. I still have to cut the lace off, the excess lace. So let's see. All right, let me go cut the lace off. And what I do is I cut it with a eyebrow razor. I'm gonna do it off camera and come back. All right, so I just finished cutting off the lace. And we're back. This is very pretty though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really much impressed with this hair. I'm just gonna blow it out a little bit more and then I'm gonna flat iron it. What I was saying was it's not much hair coming out either. It's pretty good. It's not much hair coming out. Normally that'll be the time, the test. When you wash this and you flat iron it and stuff, that normally be the test. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, this hairline is actually alright. Alright, I'm just gonna plug my flat iron in. One thing I do with any type of fake hair, especially with a blonde color hair, I make sure to use my cheese spray. Also, another thing I do, I take some mousse to lay down the top. To make it as flat. That is one thing I do though. I should have blow dried it down, but this will suffice. Alright, and then I'm gonna put some of this in it. And it's just like iron gun. I'm just quickly run a flat iron through it. To the other side. I'm not gonna lie, this hair is alright. This hair is alright. When I stand up, it comes like around there to me. I think I'm gonna have to go in with a hot comb, so let me plug my hot comb up really quickly. Let me just run a couple of more passes through this here, because it's giving me helmet wig. It's too puffy at the top. I definitely need to run a hot comb through it, so, especially since it's the first time I'm wearing it and it's freshly washed. Freshly washed hair, first time wearing hair, you definitely have to do a lot to it to try to get that flat top. quickly lay that down. I'm gonna take a Sharpie and touch up the parts that are over bleached. I'm feeling it. I think it's pretty. And again, this is Ashimary Hair. Everything will be down in the description box, so check it out. All right, so this pretty much concludes the video. This is the final look. It looks pretty good. Bring it all to the front. Comes to about here and about middle of my butt. So yeah, it's very pretty. It's very pretty. I can't even lie. Like, not mad at this hair at all. A quick little tip that I do for flyaways, I just spray some got to be on a brush and I literally just brush through it to lay them down. But again, this concludes my video. So I hope you enjoyed my video for today. I want to thank you for coming again and watching my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on this hair. Are you feeling it? Do you want it? Are you convinced? Are you going to buy it? Stay tuned for a couple other videos I have coming after this one, which gives a more thorough review after I actually wear it out places. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, mwah.